Question is given square root of b divided by b is equal to 2. So here we have to find out the value of b in this equation. How we can find out the value of b? Let's see solution. Square root of b divided by b is equal to 2. This is question, right? So we can write this one. We can do here cross multiplication. So square root of b times 1 is square root of b is equal to 2b. 2 times b, that is 2b. Now we have to find out the value of b, so we can take square on both sides to cancel this square root, right? So we are taking square on both sides. We will get here square root of b whole square is equal to 2b whole square. Now square is cancelled from square root, so this one is cancelled from this one. Now b is equal to square of 2, that is 4, and b square, 4b square. Now we can write this one square 4b square minus b equal to 0, right? 4b square minus b equal to 0. Now here b and here b, so we can take common b here. So we are taking common b, 4b minus 1 equal to 0. Now according to, we are using here according to zero product rule, we can say this one according to zero product. According to zero product rule, we can say b equal to 0, or next one is 4b minus 1 equal to 0. 4b minus 1 equal to 0. So here first value, that is b equal to 0. And next one is 4b minus 1 equal to 0. So we can say therefore 4b is equal to 1, right? 4b is equal to 1, therefore b is equal to 1 by 4. This is the solution for this equation, that is b is equal to 1 by 4. Now we are solving this equation using second method. So let's see second method. Second question is square root of b divided by b is equal to 2, right? So we can say if here is square root of b, so square root of anything, square root of b, so we can write this one b power 1 by 2. Square root is 1 by 2, power 1 by 2, right? So we can write here b power 1 by 2, this one, divided by b. So here power is 1 already present, so b power 1 is equal to 2. Now b power 1 by 2 divided by b power 1 is equal to 2. So we can say here b power 1 by 2, this one, b power 1 by 2, and if it will come in numerator, so it will become minus here, so minus 1 is equal to 2, right? Because we know the formula, if 1 upon m is given, so we can write m power minus 1. So using this formula, we can write this one b power 1 by 2 minus 1. Now b power 1 by 2 minus 1, so it will become here b power minus 1 by 2. B power minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2. So here b power minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2. So we can write this one 1 upon b power 1 by 2 is equal to 2, because if m power minus n is given, so we can write m upon, here it will become positive n, right? It will become positive here. So we can say b 1 upon b power 1 by 2 is equal to 2. Now we can do here cross multiplication. So 1 times 1 is 1, and 2 2b power 1 by 2. So we can write 2b power 1 by 2 is equal to 1. Now b power 1 by 2. So here b power 1 by 2 is equal to, this is in multiplication form here, so it will become 1 by 2 here, right? B power 1 by 2. Now b power 1 by 2, and this is 1 by 2. Now we have to cancel this 2 and we have to find out the value of b. So we can take square on both sides. So taking square on both sides, we will get here b b power 1 by 2 whole square is equal to 1 upon 2 whole square, right? So this 2 is cancelled from this 2. So we can say b is equal to, now 1 and 2 2s are 4, 1 upon 4. So value of b is equal to 1 upon 4. We already got this solution in first method, and same value we got here in second method, that is b is equal to 1 by 4. So this is the solution. Now let's verify this correct or not. So let's verify this value. Square root of b, this is question, square root of b divided by b is equal to 2, right? Now we have to substitute value of b is 1 by 4 here. So we are taking that value, so 1 by 4 divided by b. B is again 1 by 4, question mark 2, right? Now square root of 1 by 4, so we can write this one, square root of 1 divided by square root of 4. This one, square root of 1 divided by square root of 4, and here divided by 1 by 4, question mark 2. Now square root of 1, so we can write square root of 1 whole square, and square root of 4, so we can write square root of 2 square, right? Divided by 1 by 4. So here square root of 1 and square. So this square is cancelled from square root, and again here square square is cancelled from square root. So we can say it will become here 1 by 2, right? So 1 by 2 divided by this one, 1 by 4. 1 by 4, question mark 2. Now 1 by 2 times, we can write this one 4 by 1. So it will become 4 by 1, question mark 2. Now 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. So here 2 is equal to 2. So we can say 2 is equal to 2. Therefore here LHS is equal to RHS. So value of b is equal to 1 by 4. This is correct solution for this equation. This is the correct solution for this equation. And same thing again, you can substitute value of b is 0. So if you are taking 0, so it will square root of b divided by b is equal to 2, right? And if we are taking here value of b equal to, if b equal to 0, so square root of 0 divided by 0, and here question mark 2. So 0 divided by 0, question mark 2. It will become 0, but 0 is not equal to 2. So this is not correct solution for this equation. We have only one correct solution, that is b is equal to 1 by 4. This is correct solution for this equation. Thank you.